So, there were a few things which was missing in orientation session because at that time things were not. I mean, there were a few things which was not ready. So yeah, I thought to come in this session and discuss about those things also. So before doing starting the discussion, I would like to know how many of you have already success. How many of you have successfully registered for this competition? Can you raise your hand so that I can get the idea? Okay, almost, yeah. I'm seeing that almost everyone, not everyone, yeah, around 50% people have registered. All right. I hope there is no issues in the registration process. If anyone has any issues, just let me know. Okay.
So when will be the effective leaderboard will be released?
It is released, no? It is visible.
Uh, Under which section?
Uh, just at the bottom, just see the no important doc. I think important link. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
Just, okay. Uh,
I'll
okay. Are you able to see my screen?
share the link on the
Okay. Yeah, I
Yeah,
think
yes, sir.
someone has already shared it. No. Otherwise, also I'll show you. Okay. Yeah.
I'll
So
share
if
the links
you, yeah.
around the
Okay. Okay. Okay.
chat.
So okay. In the portal also, no. I mean, if you, once you go to the bottom, no, there is one new tab, important links. Okay. Here you can see all the links. Like effective leaderboard is there. Okay. Once you click on it, you will reach at this page. Okay. Here what we have done is that we have also removed those people like who are not part of this current competition. Okay. There are few people like who has scored more than this also, but yeah, they were not. They have not enrolled in this terms project. No. So that's why we have ignored their submissions. So yeah. Currently, this is the format. Okay. Yeah, so this is the effective
So
leaderboard.
weekly submission is number of submission made by participants in a week.
Haha, in that week.
Okay.
Or I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we are tracking these things. I mean, what we are planning is that every week we will send you a weekly report, like what you did in that week, particular week. Okay. So how many submissions you did, whether you are active or not. Okay. I mean, your registration, everything. I mean, okay, summary kind of thing. This is what we have planned to send this week, this term. Okay. So that will be something new. Okay. Apart from this, I think your registration status sheet. Okay. Along with you, let me also see. Okay. Maybe here I think yeah, I also don't have shortlisting option. Otherwise, I would have checked how many of people. Okay. Uh, Somewhere around let me see 50 up to I think a good number of people have already registered. Right. So 50. I think 420 people have registered successfully registered till now. So people, I think it's good to see. Okay, people whose names are in this first 49 people, no. So please correct your mistakes and yeah, do the registration process correctly. Okay, I mean, whatever the suggestions is mentioned here, no, just do that. Okay, I mean, otherwise also like you will get the mails. Okay, yeah. Any other questions? Okay, just let me take it quickly, then maybe I'll start.
Yeah, hello,
Okay.
sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
can you just
Yogesh.
show those people again?
Sir,
Is it
is there any cutoff
Uh-huh.
for the dummy submission?
No, no, no. Dummy submission. See, dummy submission. The main aim of dummy submission is only that you should be able to. You should know. I mean, what is the process of submitting any model on Kaggle? Okay, nothing else. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are able to
And
see
sir,
your, yes,
where we have to submit the final notebook?
you don't have to do anything. Okay, by default, whatever you will do on Kaggle, no. I mean, yeah,
Yes, sir.
we have the access. Okay, once you have given us the access, no. By default, what happens, no?
Okay.
Once the competition ends, no. Uh,
Hmm.
by default, top two models will be submitted on Kaggle. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that's why.
And sir, we
Uh,
have to submit the link of the dummy submission in the registration.
you don't have to. Okay, you see the registration form. I hope you are aware like what you have to, what you need to submit. I think yeah, you need to submit that notebook link, no.
Yes, yeah, sir. I
Can
am
you? Okay.
asking that the here we have to submit the first notebook link, right?
Ha ha ha. Like the notebook which you have shared with us. Okay, and the name
For
is
the
in
first
our
time.
format. Huh?
Yes, sir. For the first time.
Ha ha.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So you, but yeah, the same. Share the correct notebook name, like in the format which whatever we have shown, you know, just share that notebook in that format only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Swapnil. Okay. Any other question
Yes,
related to
sir.
please,
Sir,
please.
I have created the different notebook for milestone one. Should I say that one or the main one?
The notebook the notebook whose format is in the same format the which is mentioned in the guideline document, no, you have to share that notebook. Okay, I mean
Okay, sir.
I think, yeah, roll number slash notebooks roll number dash notebook dash I think, yeah, T12025. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anything else? Okay, yeah, Harshit.
So my question is, sir, due
Hmm.
to some problems, I think I will not able to complete the project in the following term. So
Okay,
what
I
is the
remember.
procedure to
Yeah.
drop?
Uh, is there anyone? I mean, is there anyone in this group who knows about this? How to drop a subject? Actually, Harshit, I am not aware about this.
A drop
Yes,
window will be
yes,
open on
they will.
31st of January. As mentioned in the grading calendar, that on the 31st January, a drop window will appear and they will also send mail. So we have the option to drop the course and they will refund after deducting some percentage of the amount to our student wallet.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
But I don't think
And
the drop
actually,
is
one more
available
thing
for
is that even if we don't drop anyway, it will continue till the next semester, right? Like the project fee is valid for 2 semesters. So maybe you can consider that also before deciding to drop because it will be anyway valid for next semester also.
Okay,
Right, right.
I'm eager to complete the project in the this term, but some problems arises. That's why I have to drop. I don't think I will be able to complete the project.
Okay, but it will be also available for the next time also.
Yeah, like this, whatever
So
you
I will
registered
suggest
now.
you Yeah, I will suggest you to do not drop after the term ends. If you don't complete the project, they will refund your 100% amount to your student wallet. And then in the following term, you register with that money. That's a
for
better
that,
idea.
do the preliminary registration or not? Because I did not done the preliminary registration itself.
So
Okay.
rule is that if you do not complete the project in the first term, they will refund your complete balance to your student wallet.
Okay,
And that balance you can use in the following term for your registration.
okay. Thank you, everybody.
I think, yeah,
Sir,
Pradeep, you
Sir,
were saying something. Okay. Just I think he was also trying to say.
yes, sir. Actually, I had raised my hand, but then when I unmuted it, the hand automatically got lowered,
Okay, okay,
actually.
okay. Yeah, yeah. Please.
So
Yeah.
actually, like only one notebook we should submit, or like now that we have shared one notebook link, can we make submissions from other notebook also?
You can do the submissions, but those submissions won't be counted. Okay, I mean, you can keep a rough notebook kind of thing, but see, I mean, ultimately, just do everything in the same notebook. No, I mean, okay, there different versions will be saved on Kaggle. Okay, so
Okay,
I would suggest you to, yeah, do everything in the same notebook. Okay, I mean, the versions will be created. I mean, maybe in the newer version you don't want to, you want to. Okay, I hope you understand the version system, right? I mean, let's say, I mean, currently what you did, like you did in the notebook, in the current notebook, you submitted dummy submissions model. Okay, dummy model.
yes,
Then
sir.
you just delete it, you do something else. But again, later also you can come to the model, come to the notebook version where you submitted the dummies model. Okay, so that
Oh,
options will be
okay.
there.
So
Okay.
even if I change something and resubmit it, that old one won't be lost.
I mean, yeah, if you click on the different previous old version, no, you will be able to, yeah, see everything. Okay,
Okay, okay,
whatever was there
understood.
in that version. So that
Sir,
version
and
system is there. Still, okay, I mean, still, if you want to create some other notebook, you can do that. Okay, I mean, just a kind of rough notebook or whatever you say, you can do
okay,
that.
okay, sir. And
Uh,
one more
uh,
thing is
uh,
like just a minute. Sir, can you explain this milestone one, what it is actually? Like,
uh,
is it the dummy project only? Because now we got a mail that milestone one Google form is open. That seems to be different from the one that for the dummy submission one.
okay, I think, okay, I'll take that question later. Maybe I need to, okay. First, let me explain. I thought that there would be very few questions related to these things, so I thought I'll tackle that and then maybe I'll do all the announcement. Okay, let
Okay,
me
sir,
do the
sure.
announcement. Then
Sir, I
maybe
have
I'll take.
one question, sir.
Yeah, Vinas.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
Vinas.
Yeah, sir. What is the ideal score for this accuracy score? That's I saw that someone has scored zero point 0.9 the last terms. So
See,
what should be the
every term data set is different, evaluation matrix is different. So do not compare with the last term. This term, let's say assume that if you are getting somewhere around 0.60, so you are going to get 30 out of 30. Or okay, I
point?
mean if you are getting 0.55, then you are going to get 0 marks. Okay, so I mean you will just cross the cutoff. So it is like that. Okay. So ideally, I mean, if you are getting a score more than 0.60, so that will be a, I mean, yeah, above average score, I can say. So yeah, definitely, I think 15 or 20 is somewhere around that you will get. Okay, just do the calculation. Okay.
Oh,
Uh, uh, okay.
So
Let
my
me
name
continue.
You're
is
taking,
not
sir?
Sorry, Naren. Yeah.
Sir, maybe I don't know. You may be covering this. There is a mail and a discourse post saying that weekly progress has been followed up. Like even in your Excel sheet, which you have given, week one, how many submissions, week two, how many submissions are there.
Mhm.
So, what is
Right.
the importance of this, sir? Why these
Uh,
columns at all, first of all?
Okay, I mean, we are tracking your progress. Okay, I mean, see, what we see, no, I mean, typically, see, currently, I mean, there is no, it won't affect anything on your finalist grade. Okay, it currently it is just to track your progress. Okay, I mean, whether you are active or not, when you are not active, it's like a weekly reminder we will send you. Okay, this is what we are planning at least for this term. Okay, I mean, currently there is no marks associated with it.
But there was a
Okay,
mail saying that repercussions will be there. That was really a strong
yeah.
word to be used.
So I mean, so see, in that mail there were many other things also, no? Like I mean, if you don't submit, okay, I mean, if you have not done the registration, so those things were also there. Okay, so currently, I mean, the thing is that so if you haven't done the registration properly, okay, before the deadline, so then obviously you won't be able to participate in the project, no, in this term. So yeah, just take it like that only. Okay.
my name is not reflecting in the status or registration status. So I
Sorry.
resubmitted yesterday the form, but still it's not there.
Okay. Your name is not there in this it, right? Is it what you are saying?
Yes.
Uh, Maybe. Okay,
So
you have submitted correctly.
I had submitted before 10th. Then I resubmitted after the lecture. Last lecture you said.
Yeah. So I mean, see what we have done. No, what we have done, like we have ignored the submissions before 9th Jan. Okay,
Yeah. Then I
so
resubmitted immediately after when you said that you have to resubmit, but still it is not reflecting my name in this.
okay. So
Because
in that case,
in
uh,
leaderboard it's there, but not in the registration
okay,
state.
okay, okay. Okay. So in that case, what I will suggest, okay, just try. Okay, just wait for the next update. In case it is not get updated, if it's not get updated, no, just I mean in the G space, no, ping Manoj. Okay. Otherwise, also like you can okay, ping Manoj and me also. Okay, that will work.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, man. Okay, maybe yeah. Okay, before starting, I'll just
Hello, sir.
uh-huh.
So
Yeah,
every time I'm trying to submit it, it is showing it is failed and it is not going to submit
so I mean
whenever I'm trying.
there would be some issues in your code. Okay, what I'll suggest you to just go through the orientation session. Okay, just go through the recording. I hope you will be able to do the dummy submission. Have you did the dummy submission? Sorry, I just
Yes, following the way I just tried to make the same submission that you have made earlier,
uh-huh.
the last session, but
Uh-huh.
it just failed multiple times.
Just cross check it. Okay, most probably you might be missing something. Okay, so yeah, just try to. Otherwise, if you, in case if you are not able to do it, no, just let me know. Okay, maybe
So
at
can
the
I
end
take
also
this
I'll.
question? So can I take
Ah,
that question?
yeah, Jacob.
Uh, uh, yeah, hi. You'll most probably your submission CSV is there, right? It's not done as per uh, how Jimmy sir had shown in your project orientation. See how the dummy submission is made for the submission.csv. The same format should be followed. Basically, it's the problem with the submission.csv file. Figure how it's done.
Actually, sir, you are right. I have done that way, but but the format it was coming, it was not the output that it came in the session. So
It's not
I
the
don't
same
know.
output, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's a so see how sir has done it. in the project orientation. Similar pattern should be followed while you're coding.
Yes, actually, I was just imitating him and just tried the same code. But
Uh,
then
you
also
might have
it
made some
was
small mistakes. I think uh,
okay.
just check it once more. It's
Okay.
very small, minor mistakes. That's why it happens like that.
Thank you.
All right, now I mean, yeah, I'll start the I think the other announcement, like what was the purpose, whatever was the purpose of this session. So okay, first of all, I am seeing that yeah, many of you are stuck at some. I mean, you guys will get the doubts and everything. So this time, what we are going to do now, I mean, maybe yeah, other terms also we are doing this. So from today onwards, like on every weekday, there will be one session from 7 to 8 p.m. Okay, in these sessions, one of the TA will be there to handle to resolve your queries, and along with this, every Thursday one of the instructors will also join. Okay, I mean, yeah, instructors will be also joining the session, so that I mean, if you have any doubts, I mean, related to like which TAs cannot handle, or I mean, it is, I mean, they are not allowed to do those things, like maybe some operation related issues or something, I mean, admin related things, so we will be also there. Okay, yeah, and I think yeah, I wanted to announce the name of TAs also. Okay, okay, so Jacob is the one. So I think he, as you just now he told. Okay, so he is the one. And apart from this, I think there are two other people. I'll just show their names and their discourse ID so that you can, I mean, tag them. Okay, on on discourse and also on GSpace. Everywhere they are added now. Okay, I'll just open that sheet. Maybe yeah, I'll just show their names. Huh, I think yeah, for projects only. Yeah, so these things will be for your MLP project. So I think for MLP course, I think there are different things will happen. Okay, different TAs will be there and everything, so they will announce it separately. But yeah, I'm just talking about our, I mean, MLP project part. Okay, uh so yeah, these are the people. Okay, I'll just share my screen, maybe. Yeah, okay. So yeah, these three peoples will be there. Okay, Sita will be there, Jacob will be there, and Pranav will be there. So yeah, I think maybe I should not do it. Okay. Yeah, I think yeah, these three people are there. I'll also put their maybe yeah, I'll also put their discourse ID and email ID in the G space. Okay, they will just I'll just send an announcement mail. Okay, in the G space also, so that you can tag them. Okay. Yeah, so that is one thing. Apart from this, I think today we have launched the form. Okay, we have released the form for one-on-one mentorship registration and also for bootcamp registration. So in one-on-one mentorship, what we will be offering you is that, so one of these mentors will help you to do the project. Okay, I mean, they will help you. It will be kind of hand holding. Okay, I mean, they you can uh, stay connected with them till the, I mean, end of this project. So that is one thing. Second thing is in this boot camp. So in boot camp, what we will do is that this will, I mean, this boot camp will go for 10 to 12 days. Okay, and in this boot camp we will teach you something. Okay, I mean, then based on that there will be some hands-on session. Okay, so obviously we won't be working on this current term project. Okay, we will be taking some previous term project as an example, and we will showcase everything on that. Okay, and yeah, that will help you to work better on the current project. Okay, so that is second aspect. Okay, yeah, so if you guys have any doubts related to these two things, or any doubts related to registration process or milestones, just feel free to ask now. Okay, I think yeah, this is what I wanted to cover. Okay, let me take the questions. So yeah, I hope I made things clear. Okay, first thing is that, so who are the TAs, I'll just mention their names in the chat box, yeah, in the G chat. Okay, so that is the first thing. And we will also update it in the wireframe. So yeah, that would be the first thing. And every weekdays we will have one session from 7 to 8 p.m. So these sessions, I mean, we won't. Okay, basically TAs will try to teach you few topics. Okay, some sessions will be there where we will teach you something, and in the many sessions will be like where you have to ask the doubts. Okay, obviously I just want to make few things clear that I mean if there is something specific related to your code, no, I mean we can discuss only generic thing. Okay, okay, we cannot. Okay, I mean yeah, we can help you in generic topics only. Okay, so that is the thing. And apart from that, yeah, every Thursday one instructor will join. Okay, yeah, boot camp. Obviously, I told you. I mean, yeah, it will start from 10th Feb and it will go till 21st Feb. So that is a boot camp. So one-on-one mentorship, one-on-one mentorship. As I told you, I mean, it is separate from this boot camp. So in one-on-one mentorship, I think per week, I think just see how many hours you get. Okay. For that, I think yeah, you can. I mean, you can book one-on-one the mentor, and yeah, they can take your questions. So yeah, these three four things are there. Okay. Yeah. Feel free to ask things.
Sir, for boot camp, what will be
Uh,
the hours per day?
so see, earlier, if I talk about the previous plan, so it was like 4 hours per day, and it was we used to take 7 weeks, 7 days. Okay, this time what we are thinking is that okay, I mean out of those 7 days also like 2 hours teaching session we used to happen, and next 2 hours we used to had hands-on session where we used to give you questions and you had to do something. So it was like that. Okay, this time I think yeah, this time I am planning to I mean give you more space. Okay, so that's why we are taking 10 to 12 days. Okay, so
Uh,
yeah, that is
okay, so it is like 4 hours per day.
it was like this time I think yeah, we'll take more days, so I think yeah, we can give some relaxation
Okay,
to
and
you.
recording will be available in case we miss one session or
Ha
something.
ha ha. Yeah, that will be there.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Uh, so yeah, Asit Kumar Nayak.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay, sir. Actually, I have taken the MLP course theory along with this project. So, can it join the boot camp?
Ha ha. Anyone can join the
O-
bootcamp. So that's not
okay,
an issue.
okay. And sir, what about this? Like milestone one? Okay, I will be able to complete it within the deadline. But milestone two have some description. Is there linear models and stochastic gradient descent and all things are there. So, like these things for the classification, I guess it's there in week 5 or week 6.
So see,
So,
milestone two. See, whatever. Okay. I think the confusion is happening because I think Akshaya had shared one milestone form link in a group, right? Most probably
yeah,
the
also
confusion is
mail has came also regarding milestone.
milestone two. Is it or
No,
milestone
no,
one
no,
only?
milestone one, milestone one only.
So milestone one
Milestone
form is
one,
there.
sir. There were some 5 or 6 questions asked.
Yeah,
So
also
that yeah, so that was in the I mean the same questions is also on the portal, no?
right, right.
Yeah. So what do you want to know about that?
So, I am just asking that milestone two, the things which are there, it's there in week 4 or week 5, I guess. Week 5 or week 6, it's there. The contents are. So
Uh,
how will we be able to complete those milestone two and
so
all?
milestone yeah, so
Mm,
milestone two deadline is not 29th Jan, no?
it's 5th February, 5th February.
Okay, 5th Feb, no. See, first of
Yeah,
all, I think you would have gone through the guideline document, and in that we have clearly mentioned that the milestones are not in sync with MLP course. Okay,
right,
so
right,
ideally we suggest people to take MLP and MLP project together only when you have experience of MLP. Okay, so we will see. I
right,
mean,
right.
if required, now we will see. We will try to set a deadline in such a way that you can solve that thing, those things.
Okay,
Okay,
so
yeah.
one more thing there. So these milestones, like, is it like, is there any role in the project or is it like
So
bonus marks?
yeah,
Fine.
yeah. So yeah, so 5 marks is there for milestones. I
Uh,
mean, if you submit all 5 milestones, you will get 5 marks.
okay,
See, currently, okay, milestones and these weekly reports, all these things are just to ensure that you do steady progress. Okay, it should
correct,
not be like
correct, correct.
I mean, you at the, I mean, once, I mean, first 2 months you didn't do anything, and the last week you copied the and things from someone and directly pasted it and showing us that yeah, you cross the cutoff and we will allow
Mm-hmm.
you. So okay, so just to
Okay,
these type of people, no, we are keeping these things. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay. Then
Sir,
the full mark, maximum mark we can score in the project is 105 for the students who are doing in the
uh,
same term or in the consecutive term after
So
completing the
it is
theory.
like, let's see, full marks is 100 only. So but yeah, if you
Mhm.
do in these terms, no, we will multiply it with 1.05. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, sir. But mandatorily two milestone we have to complete, right?
Yeah, yeah.
After
I mean,
five.
yeah, yeah. Just to
Okay,
get the grade, no, you have to submit at
okay,
least 2 milestones. Okay.
okay, sir.
Uh,
Okay then. Thanks. Thank
okay,
you,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Okay,
welcome.
one
Sir,
more
and in the
thing. So,
milestone form, like
Uh-huh.
there is the last question is asking mention the reference you have used for this task. So what does that mean?
So whatever thing you use, maybe you would have referred SQL and library, you would have referred some books, whatever you have referred, no, just mention it. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
okay, sir. One more thing I was asking that. So every Thursday, so is there any like particularly sessions on the project, or like will they only take doubts from us?
So see, not on Thursday. I mean, so I have. I mean, we have at least, yeah, we have not planned as of now. Like in which sessions we are going
Mhm,
to teach you something, and which session we will just take the doubts only. I mean, we will take
correct,
your queries. So this is not
correct,
decided
correct.
yet. I think yeah, mentors or I mean yeah, TAs will inform you about that. Okay, maybe in the GSpace group, no,
Okay.
they will inform you. Okay,
Mhm,
whenever they will plan to teach you something, no, they will discuss. Okay, and
okay.
most of the sessions, see, every day we are keeping sessions for these things only. Like let's say, so once someone asks, no, I think yeah, he is. I mean, he is doing the same thing. Still, he is not able to submit the dummy model. So just to take these doubts,
Okay.
okay. I mean, so that's why we are helping you with this session. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
one
sir.
question.
Ha, yeah,
Yeah.
tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So actually, it's a general question that can I drop the null entries in the data set?
So see, again, these things comes. I mean, whatever you have taught, whatever you have learned in ML course, no, you. I mean, MLP, you just implement it. So what have you learned in MLP course? What you should do with these null values?
Actually, I'm saying so because I know, sir, that you cannot actually this data are precious and you cannot just misuse with it because all the columns are precious and you cannot drop it or rows. So I know that just replacing those values with some average values or the frequent values is the rule. But actually, I'm saying so because uh, um, there was 1 lakh entries in the data set.
Mm-hmm.
So just I think there was some 1,000 or I don't know whatever the amount. It is very small. So is it possible to drop those entries?
So see, okay, I'll tell you a few things here. Okay, first of all, okay, in a complete ML problem, no, what you have to do is that so there is no fixed rule for anything. Okay, you will try something and you will see final whether your score is improving or not. If it is not improving, so that you can discard that idea. So ideally, what how we handle null values is that there are few things. Okay, let's say if you have large sample of a large number of samples, no, you can also drop them, and there are only few samples where the missing values is, you can drop them. Otherwise, you can either replace it with I mean mean, mode, median. Okay, these three things are there. I mean, in different scenario you are going to use different imputer. Okay, so that is there. Apart from this, some people what they do is that they directly take some model to predict these null values. Okay, and then they, based on that model, they impute those null values. Okay, so there are multiple techniques. Okay, again, as I told you, it all depends on like what is going to what is suiting for your data set. Okay, or for your problem statement, that you have to, I mean, decide. Okay, I mean, that you will check and then you will apply. Okay, got my
Yes,
point?
sir. And yes, sir. And one more thing I'm struggling with. Those 76 columns, are those all 76 columns are useful enough?
So again,
Means
this also
these are
you
too
have to
much
check.
columns.
So this you have to check. So these are the data sets. This is the data sets available to you. Now you have to build a model which has which gives the best accuracy. Okay. I mean, so for that, what can happen? You may drop few columns and see whether your performance is improving or not. Or I mean, you just drop few columns and see whether your I mean, it is affecting your model performance or not. Okay, and also just by, I mean, adding new just by doing some feature engineering also, you can see whether you are able to improve your model performance or not. Okay, all these things, see it in ML. No, most of the things are hit and you have to, most of the time you will use the hit and trial method. Okay, you will do something and you will see whether your model performance is improving or not. You have learned about PCA, just apply the PCA and see what is the, or feature importance is also you would have learned, no? RFE.
Actually,
Yes.
yes, sir. I've gone through, but
uh,
actually, what happens? I am not very good. I'll say that I am not very good with the pre-processing part. So that is where just I lag because sometimes what happens
Understand.
whenever whenever the column comes out. So so I'm just taking a general example. If some timestamp column is there, it is just giving some time or date. So if you I just cannot pre-process it. So what is the way to pre-process it? And in this I just lost much of my time, and then um, I don't know
Okay.
that pre-processing part actually.
I got your point. See, what is the, why we have kept the project? So in a machine learning, in MLP course also you were learning things, no? A machine learning project is only to whatever you have learned, no, just apply here. So for example, you have learned about, this technique, RFE technique. Okay, to check the feature importance of each and every feature. Okay, so just try it out and see what is happening. Okay, for example, let's say you talked about, I think you don't know how to handle the time series data, or how to handle the times. Just search on Google. Okay, see there will be different blogs. Okay, where you can see these things. Okay, where people would have talked about like how to handle the time based data. Okay, and what they can do, how you can extract something something meaningful from this data. Okay, just read about it and try it on your model. Okay, see you have 3 months. Okay, there will be, I'm very sure that I think most of you, or at least, yeah, good chunk of people, what they will do that, just they will try to cross the cutoff. Once they cross the cutoff, they will simply appear for the and they will pass it. So this is what we do, this is something which we don't want to do. Okay, because this way you won't learn anything. Okay, so ideally what you have to do is that just learn a few things from internet. Okay, for example, you got the questions. Okay, important thing is here, in this project, the important thing is that to get some questions. Once you got the question, just search it on internet. You will, come up with the different solutions. Apply those solutions on your model, on your problem, and see whether it is helping you or not. If it is helping you, keep that solution. Okay, keep that thing in your notebook. And if it is not helping, just remove them and try something new. Okay, so that's how things goes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. And the fastest way, if you ask me, no, the fastest way is to search for the similar competition. Okay, competition which is similar to this one. Okay, there just see, is there any people like who has kept their notebook open? Okay, whose notebooks are public. Just see their solution. Okay, and just see the techniques what they are using. Okay, and just apply those techniques
Okay,
on your
sir, sir, I know what you are saying, but actually, what happens when I see when I see their code? So actually, sometimes something they use in their codes, I can interpret the overall thing, but sometimes some parts of it or some chunk of it might have some quality that I cannot just interpret why it is using this, and what is doing here in this code. So actually these things are very confusing because actually see, I have to explain it to someone in the Viva. So so actually whenever I am using it, I have to keep it in mind that I have to just explain it. So just merely using it in my code and just getting the result is
See,
not okay. So
right. I got your point. So in that case, I'll tell you two things. Okay, first of all, what you can do is that, no, currently Chat GPT is there. Okay, let's say you got some codes. Okay, some chunk, some section of code you didn't understand. Such, just to put it on Chat GPT and see, ask them to, just write a prompt that explain this part properly. Okay, if you are able to understand from there, it is fine. Otherwise, our TAs are there. You can post it. You can join these sessions. You can ask the TAs. They will help you. Definitely, they will definitely help you. Otherwise, also GSpace is there. Just put your that section of code. Okay, someone will definitely explain you. Okay, So yeah, there are
Okay, sir.
multiple
Thank
ways like through which you can, we can help. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
sir. Thank
okay,
you.
Nilda. It is just that okay. I mean, before that, what I would suggest you. I mean, they are obviously the people. I mean, there are very good people, so they will definitely help you. Even they don't help. Our TAs are there. Okay, we are there. No, so we will definitely help you. It is just that just come up with something. No, I mean something meaningful. For example, if you are saying that yeah, I didn't understand. So there should be something. Yeah, this part or this section of code I'm not understanding. Just come up with that part, and I'm very sure. This is the way how you will learn. Okay, exactly. This is the
Okay,
way.
sir.
I mean through which you will learn. Yeah. Okay. Maybe.
Hmm.
So yeah. Welcome. Yeah, Sarmadeep. Sarmadeep. Okay.
Hello.
Haha. Yes.
So my doubt is regarding the Viva process. Like
Haha.
suppose if I submit the pass the threshold before
Hmm.
the first cycle of Viva, but
Hmm.
I don't want to take the Viva in the first cycle. Will I get it the mail again in
Yeah.
the second cycle?
Yeah. Yeah. You will get the mail. Okay. But I'll tell you. So in the first two cycles, even if you fail 11 hour, you will get one more chance. But in the last cycle, you won't have this more. This. Yeah.
Okay, so what the level one Viva actually checks? Like in
In
Mad one,
level
they
one.
generally check the code. So what?
So in level one, here also, no, there are, I think, just go through the guideline document and last session also I discussed. So mainly they will check your code quality. Okay. Apart from that, I think, yeah, whether you are able to explain your code or not. I mean, they simply check whether you are good enough to go for level 2 EVA or not. Okay. This is what they check. And obviously they
Okay,
will
so
ensure whether whatever you have did, this is your original work or not. Okay.
okay, so and what can I expect in the level two Viva?
So level 2 IVA, so it's the industry professionals will join. So you can expect 90% questions from MLP and MLT. Okay,
Okay.
and I think
So
5 to 7% from stats they may ask you, and apart from that, they may also ask you to do the coding.
So
Okay,
will it be like theoretical questions like will they ask some mathematical formulas for why I used
they can go
or
see.
what's the logic?
I told you, MLP MLT both. Okay, it's
Yeah,
completely
yeah.
different. It's like you can take it like an interview. Okay, mod
Okay,
interview.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so and regarding the other thing is that you mentioned that the project remains active till the last date, right? That means the what do you say, the
90th
ranking
90th
can
March.
change.
Ha ha ha.
Ranking can change. So suppose some in the Viva during the
Hmm.
Viva, what I have models I have used after the Viva, if I update the models,
Hmm.
will I get some points in my final score
Okay.
or
Yeah. So if you update the model and your score improves, then
yeah?
definitely, yeah, that final grade, that score will be there, that carries
Okay,
some weight. So yeah,
okay. And
don't expect. Uh,
during the orientation session, you mentioned like submitting the notebook. Do you have to submit the notebook somewhere after the final submission?
no, no, no. Submitting the notebook means submitting the notebook on Kaggle only. Whatever you are
Okay,
doing, you are
just
going, Kaggle. No, yeah,
okay.
you don't
Just
have to do.
means just by submitting this submission
Uh-huh.
solution in the Kaggle,
Right.
my means registration is done and all the necessary things are done, right?
Correct.
I
Correct.
don't have to
Correct.
separately submit it anywhere else.
Agree. Agree. Right.
Okay. And the other thing is that I formed the like my what do you say the registration done. By when can I expect the my name getting updated on the list
So
with
every
the effective
Tuesday,
score?
we will update it. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Every
sir.
Tuesday
Okay, sir.
we will update. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah, Aryan.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good
Sir,
evening.
my doubt is about bonus marks. Like
Mhm.
in one orientation session, you were saying that whatever you marks will get, that will be multiplied with 1.05 if you are doing in this current term MLP project, or you have done in the second last term,
Uh,
term next to this.
yes.
So, and now you are also saying that the 5 marks is for milestone. So how it will be added? Like if I got suppose
Yeah. So
80.
milestone marks is out of 100 only. Okay.
Okay.
So 95 marks are there and 5 marks, 95 plus 5. Okay. You just check the formula. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
even after including these milestone marks only, you will get total 100 marks. Okay.
Okay, understood. Like if I got 90 and then it will be added 5 and in the end it will be multiplied with 1.05.
Right. Right.
Okay. And sir, second question is like is there an ideal score like highest score till that we can achieve means we will try our level best like 4 5 model 10 model 20 model, but at
Okay.
some point we will think that now our score cannot increase as far as I can see.
See.
Right now it is
I
0.67 around. So what should be the
So
ideal score that the models we have taught
see,
in the MLP course, where up to it can go, and
okay,
rough
okay,
idea.
okay, 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 okay. So see, it is not about model, it is about pre-processing steps. Okay, I mean, feature engineering, all these things contributes to get the higher score. Okay, so currently someone has got 0.6868, so obviously score is possible. Okay, someone has got, I mean, there are people like who has got more than this also, but since they are not part of the current competition, so that's why I think, yeah, okay, I mean, you can, I mean, someone is getting that score from you guys, so obviously you can expect that that score is achievable. Okay, so it
Like
completely
we
depends how much. Okay, so it completely depends how much you want from that 30 marks. Okay, I will tell you
okay,
that. Okay,
like
out of that 30, no, yeah.
we
Huh?
don't have to change our model regularly. We have to do pre-processing step also
Ha, ha, ha.
many
So
times.
see,
Okay.
yeah, yeah, right, right.
And in this, there are 76 column. All those, if we use, it will take time and don't know all will give good result like 75. So
Mm.
we will do some correlation with target, but we can do correlation with only numerical variables. Is there something for categorical variable
So
which
again,
is
all
allowed in
these
this
things.
course?
I mean, see, for categorical, what you want to use? I mean,
Like
so
for correlation, like in numerical we have correlation, it tells that how much it is correlated. So if it is not related that much, we can discard that column and we can apply our model, so in numerical case. But in the categorical case, what should we apply? Just by looking at graphs
yeah, yeah, yeah.
we can
In categorical,
tell,
yeah. So yeah, in
or
categorical,
is
no.
there
I
any
mean,
method like chi-square, anything which we
so
can
see,
use?
in categorical, what you typically you do is that so first you have to encode. Okay, and based on, I mean, after encoding, I mean, it won't make sense. Okay, so maybe after encoding, okay, I mean, after encoding these categorical variables, you can check the PCA, and I mean, yeah, there are, I mean, you can use RFE and other feature importance things are there, no, in ensemble based methods. So just try it out and see whether the, I mean, it is helping you or not. Okay, just explore it. Okay, I mean, maybe you will get the idea. Okay.
Okay, and sir, one last thing, like what points are you expecting in EDA, like number of columns, rows, then what is numerical column, category column, then some graphs with target outliers, like all this thing only, or
See,
something.
EDA
If you
simply
can
means,
give some points
okay, okay.
about that.
If I tell you, so EDA doesn't mean plotting some. I mean, just doing,
Yeah, giving
putting some
conclusion.
plots. Okay, just putting some plots in the your final notebook. It is all about exploring the data. Okay, I mean, just you, what you have to do is you have to just be a detective and see what all insights you can get from the data. Right, okay, it's like just be a detective and see like whether you are able to find some good insights. Okay, I mean, you have to summarize like what is happening in the data set. Okay, or what are the corner cases, what are the good insights you are able to come up. Okay, some specific pattern or something. Okay, just come up with those things. Okay, so I
Okay,
mean, there are, I mean, if I talk about the languages, like the people say that univariate analysis, then bivariate analysis, then multivariate analysis, people go in this sequence. Okay, so those things also you can see. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, one more thing, like if the milestone is on 29, and till that time I submitted my EDA all conclusions, whatever I can draw, and later I find out there is something more,
You can do that.
then
You can
can
definitely
I
do
add
that.
that? Okay.
Definitely, definitely you can do.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Welcome. Uh, yes, yeah.
Hi, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
about the Kaggle leaderboard, is there any merit in being at the top of the Kaggle leaderboard at the end of the project? Like, I mean, by the end of the project?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, is there any merit in being the top of the Kaggle leaderboard by the end of the project?
Haha. So for that, what we do is that typically we give certificates for that. Okay. People who
Okay,
are in
sir.
the top of the leaderboard, no, we provide
Oh,
certificates like best projects kind of thing. Okay. I mean, for that,
okay, okay.
yeah, for that, it is not solely based on your rank only. Okay. But yeah, I
Mhm.
mean, I think majority, the major highest weightage is for your rank only. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Typically,
okay.
so whoever are in top 10, no, out of this, we look at their notebook and we see what is the quality of their notebook. No, based on that, we
Okay, okay.
decide like top 5 people.
So you'd be also looking at how the way the data is pre-processed and
Uh-huh.
the type of
Correct,
models
correct.
we applied, everything
Right,
into it.
right. Best project certificate.
Okay,
So
okay.
typically, typically, if I tell you, no, I mean, there is a high possibility that people who are in the top of the leaderboard, no, they would have done something good. Okay. So I think, yeah. So that's
Yes.
why we take only top 10 samples for evaluation purpose, and then we evaluate. We check their notebook manually.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
And
okay.
then yeah.
Fine, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, welcome. Yeah, Pradeep.
Hi, sir. Pradeep here. So I have a
Yes.
couple of questions. One is partially answered, but I just want to reiterate. So
Mhm.
one is on the EDA part. So do we have to, I mean, whatever analysis we do or whatever the analysis or what we observe, based on that, if we do a pre-processing and stuffs like that, in the notebook, do we have to give in terms a kind of explanation kind of thing, like what we are doing, what is that we infer from our analysis, and why are we doing certain things like that? Do we have to give some kind of text
Okay.
description?
So when okay, yeah, yeah, obviously you should put it. Okay, when I talk about the, good notebook quality. Okay, it simply means that your notebook should be self-explanatory kind of thing. Okay, it should be presentable. Okay, maybe I think in some of the session, I think Jacob in his term also, like, he has done a good EDA. Okay, and his notebook was very well structured. Okay, maybe, or let me. Okay, they will also teach you these things, okay, in the upcoming session, like what we expect you. But yeah, for now I'll just show you one notebook. Okay, just let me see. I think I would have, just for your reference, I'm showing one.
Okay.
Just give me. Uh, all right, I'll just share my screen. It is loading. So it was about, I think, a Brazilian e-commerce data. I think, yeah. So if you see this notebook now, see how they are. They have presented it. Okay, everything they have kept it. So if you see this person, I think, yeah. Initially they talked about, like, what key element they have used, and they explained it. So after each and everything, okay. Once you will see, they would have explained it. Okay, for example, here, like, monthly sales trend, like what they are doing, total sales. Okay, if you go through these notebooks, they, whatever analysis, whatever conclusion is there, they will mention it. Okay, maybe, okay, here, in this one, they are, in some smaller lines they have written it. So maybe I would have, so there would be some other notebook, okay, where they had, clearly they have mentioned each and everything. Okay. So okay, yeah. So ideally, I would suggest you to write these things. Okay. For example, here also, no, if you see, uh, everything. Okay. Whatever they are doing. Okay. For example, here, no, what was the summary and whatever they are doing. Okay. Just keep it presentable. Okay. In easy word, I can say this only. Okay. So most probably I would be referring to some other notebook. Okay. So this is not the one. This is also a good one. Okay. But yeah, there was some other notebook. Okay.
Sir, so if you come across some nice examples of notebooks like this, can you please share them?
Ha ha ha. Definitely we can do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. If you could share one example, that would be great, sir. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that's one thing. Second thing about the milestone. So when we have the milestone, there is a set of things that is expected, right? We can see in that document.
Mhm.
Now the question is like, I mean, like when we say that there is a baseline model, stuffs like that. So is there any kind of cutoff or anything which will say that milestone one is completed?
See. Okay,
Uh,
okay. See, again, I'll tell you. See, milestone part. No, currently this is also not in the. Uh, I would say that this is, see, the main aim of bringing these things. No, milestone thing and weekly reports. These things, that only main agenda behind these things is that just to ensure that everyone is working steadily and in every week. It is not like, the last week you are doing something. So currently there are no cutoff, or there are no thing like that. Okay, just submit it. Okay, the upcoming terms, definitely. Here also, now we are just trying it out. Okay, we are seeing how things. We are just seeing how things goes. Okay,
okay.
and yeah, once we will be comfortable with these things, then we will make it mandatory, and we will also increase marks for these things. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah. I mean,
that.
the reason for me asking this is like, uh, like whatever we submit in the milestone one, I mean,
Mhm.
is there any kind of basic thing that is, I mean, basic thing in the sense we do analysis and everything. So we fit some, say, some random model. Is that a, I mean, is there some kind of evaluation criteria which say that milestone one is completed, or would it end up in say that okay, because of certain things, milestone one will be decided as incomplete or something like that? If, or I mean, can I submit something whatever I do now, so that in the coming phases I can keep updating, right? Because I will be keep updating based on whatever my understanding goes on. I may end up adding more things to the pre-processing steps or anything later as well, right? So is,
Yeah,
am I allowed to do that, or is it
yeah,
like
you are. See,
no?
see, see. Okay, I'll tell you. So, see, again, I'll tell you here. So, these things are for those people who don't understand, who doesn't have any idea like how to proceed. Okay, how to start doing things. Okay, if you have idea, you can just try it out and you can you can submit it. Okay, and later also like whatever suits you know. Okay, see, throughout this project, no, currently this milestone part and all other things, no, these are additional things. I mean, do not. I mean, these are not to restrict you to do only these things. Okay, these things are just to give you idea. Okay, just to give you the guidance like in which direction you should think and proceed. Okay, if you have the idea and I mean slowly once you will move to the I mean later phase, no, then also you may feel that yeah there are some things like which you can do. Definitely you are allowed to do all those things. Okay, even till the last week. Okay.
Okay, so I mean, there is no condition that we'll be saying that oh,
No, no,
so
no, no,
whatever we
no,
put in the, I mean, submit it, we'll not end up saying that okay, milestone one is not accepted or something rejected like that, right? So
no, no,
that's
no,
the
no.
question. Okay,
All
okay,
right. Okay.
okay. Thank you,
Okay.
thank
Welcome.
you.
Okay. Yeah, Megha.
Yeah, good evening, sir. My
Good
question is
evening.
also similar to what Pradeep has just asked because in BDM project, business data management project, we were allotted with some windows and we were supposed to submit, for example, first stage of the project in first window. And if it was not up to the mark, it was cancelled, and then we have to redo the submissions.
No, no,
So,
no.
but
Here, yeah. Please, please,
but
please,
in
please continue.
MLP project, it is not like that. For example, the first milestone, I'm not very prepared for it. Uh, so I can submit whatever I'm prepared until now, and then later I can change it.
Yeah, you can change it. Okay, I mean, whatever suits you. I mean, later also, like, see, even till last week, no, even till, I
Mm-hmm.
mean, see, you are allowed to do anything. Okay, even till
Okay.
19th March. Okay, so whatever you want to
Okay.
do, I mean, whatever is helping you to improve your model, no, you can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we are not restricting you for anything.
Okay. Understood. One more thing, sir. So for example, this milestone, if I miss it, then I have to wait for another term to submit this project, or I can do it later also. For example, if I miss this 29th milestone, then I can also do it after a week. Is that possible or it's not
So see,
possible?
there are two, three things. So if you, there are five milestones for work. For
Mhm.
each milestones, you will get 1 marks. Okay, currently this is the
Okay.
format. So whatever
Right.
you, so ideally, what we suggest you to, I mean, whatever you have done, no, submit at least submit the milestone form. Okay, do not miss it. Okay, whatever. I mean, let's say you will be able to answer only 3 questions or only 4 questions. Whatever you are able to do, no, just submit it. Okay, we will count the submissions. Okay, minimum two out of five milestone submission is mandatory. Okay,
Okay.
minimum two. Okay, so yeah, I think you will be able to do it. And yeah, I mean, in MLP there is nothing like you will do some part in this term and some part in other term. So in every term there will be new project. I mean, there will be new data. Yeah, new project statement, and everything will be start from scratch only. Okay,
So, for example, if I'm
so yeah,
not very prepared for the milestone one, I can submit it, and out of all the five milestone, my aggregation would be aggregate marks would be counted as a whole. Then,
right, right,
if I am not very good at one milestone, then that does not make a lot of difference.
right, right.
Last question, sir, is there also a kind of mentorship as there is in BDM project?
Yeah, yeah. So one-on-one mentorship will be there. I think yeah, they have circulated the form, and I think the payment link is active. So yeah, it will be there.
I received a form for the BDM, but I'm not sure if I've received any link for
I
the
think yeah,
MLP
in the
project.
G Space there it is there, no? In G Space group, just see.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay, I'll
it is
check,
there.
sir.
And for
Thank
everyone, see these milestones boot camps. Although we are providing you, but if you ask me personally, no, these things
Mm-hmm.
are only for those people like who are, I mean, below average. Okay, even if you are average, no, I think as I am telling you, every day we are providing you support. Okay, so if you will join these sessions, no, I mean, they will definitely help you. I mean, if you have doubts, no, they can help you.
Okay,
But
sir.
yeah, I mean, people who need kind of hand holding, no, for those people, yeah, these one-on-one mentorship session and these boot camps are there. Okay, but for others,
Okay.
no, I would suggest you, yeah, I mean, these sessions will be enough because see, every day. So let's say in case if you get stuck at some point, no, every day
Mm-hmm.
you have option to resolve your doubts, right?
Yeah, so for
So
in my case, sir, I started a little late, so that's why
yeah, so I
I
mean, yeah,
thought like I
right,
don't
right.
want to
I
drop
mhm,
my grades overall. Until now, it's going good, but
agree.
I started late on this project, so that's why I'm little worried on this
So
thing.
see, again, I'm telling you, for everyone, what will happen? No, in the beginning, you will feel that there are so many things to learn, but after, I
Mhm.
think, yeah, after no fab, no, you will feel that everything is smooth. I mean, you are aware about the concepts. You will able to cross the cutoff. So in the beginning, only there are, as you know, that the beginning is the hardest thing, no. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
the same thing here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Okay.
Sir,
Welcome.
just one
Huh.
question regarding that Viva time and all, right? So this Jupyter notebook, what we are using, sorry, this Kaggle notebook, right? So it doesn't give us an option like when we do dot and all, it doesn't give us the fill options. Okay, so I mean, are we allowed to use the Colab notebooks during those discussions and all? Is it like we have to use only Kaggle notebook for uh, during that? I mean, if somebody asks us to do a program and show and all, we have to use Kaggle notebook only, or Colab notebook is fine?
Okay. Two, three things here. So first of all, I think what is something which you are not able to do on Kaggle?
I mean, say for example, if I am doing a SGD classifier, okay,
Mhm.
so I define that model SGD classifier. Then on that SGD classifier, if I have to do dot, say fit or something, right? Even the dot, if I do, it doesn't give us me an option. However, I mean, if I want to see.
Okay, okay, yeah, I got you. I got you. I mean, the default. I mean, yeah, by default, the suggestions, not auto suggestions.
Correct. Yeah. I'm not
So
talking about
okay.
AI part, but just the auto method auto suggestion. So even that
Okay.
is not coming in Kaggle notebook. So are we allowed to use
Uh,
Colab notebook?
uh,
Such
okay. These things completely depends on your Viva examiner. Okay. I mean, L2 Viva examiner. So most probably, if you will tell them no, I mean, yeah, can I do it on this collab? No, or by default you open by default if you open the collab, no, they won't restrict you for these things. Okay. Most
okay.
probably, yeah. Okay, but yeah, this is not in our end. So whoever will be the L2 examiner, no, they will do.
Okay. How about Viva? I mean,
So
what during one phase, Viva one phase, like are we allowed? Because yeah, I mean, what I understand the instruction class and all is Viva one is what we may be asked to code and all. I mean, Viva two is
Yeah.
also may ask, but Viva one definitely they will ask is what I understand in the from the.
So most probably, so in Viva 1, no, they will ask you to do in that same notebook only. Okay, I mean the Kaggle notebook only.
Oh, not in
Okay.
Colab.
Yeah, so they will just ask you some aspect, I mean some part of your code. Just they will ask you to execute it again. Okay, but yeah, I think yeah, if that is your point, no, I mean they may ask. Okay, they may allow you to refer something, or I mean if you tell them, no, can I use Google Colab? I think they will allow you. But yeah,
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
okay, but there are very little chance. Currently I'm also thinking aloud, because what will happen, no, if one issue which I am able to think of currently is that, so if you ask them to use, I mean you will request them to use collab, no, so they will say that, I mean again data set is on this on Kaggle only, no, so that may create some problem. So most probably they won't allow. This is what I am able to think of currently.
sir,
Okay.
it's just a related
So
doubt to that. That's why I want to like
Sir?
ask here.
okay, just go one by one. Srinivasan.
Sir, so actually in Google Colab and Kaggle, there seem to be different versions of the models. So, for example, like in Kaggle, it is sklearn 1.2.2 is automatically installed, whereas in
Hmm.
Colab, if you install it, is 1.6.0. So there seem to be some differences in these two libraries.
Yeah. So that will be there. Yeah.
So, we are not allowed to install a. I'm not able to install a later version of sklearn on that Kaggle thing, sir. So, is it because we are not allowed to do that, or is it some way? Is there some way where we can use that 1.6.0, that latest version?
Mm, I have not explored this. Okay, just cross check it. Okay, most probably you will be able to use them.
Yes, so
I'm
can I
assuming
take
it.
that question?
Yeah, Jacob.
Hi. So what is the problem is, scikit-learn will have its dependencies. Even I tried it last semester. So you'll have a difference in score in collab versus Kaggle, and scikit-learn has its own set of dependencies which you'll also have to install. It's a very tedious process, but if you're willing to do that, then you will get the same score on both the platforms. It will be a very minor difference, but yes.
Okay, so my point is, will I be able to upgrade the Kaggle version from
It's a very tedious process. It's not easy.
Okay, but it is allowed.
It is allowed. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can pip install.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Who is next? Yeah. Okay, I think Ulaju. I'm not able to pronounce your name. Sorry.
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm Ulagurian, sir.
Okay, Ulaju.
Sir,
Still, full name is not coming here, no? So yeah, please.
Yeah, Ulaga will be there. Anyhow, sir, I got a small question. In the test data set, sir, am I entitled to? I need to delete certain rows, sir.
In test data?
Yeah, in test data. In which case, will it be a mismatch when I generate that submission, sir?
Right, obviously, no. I mean, Kaggle is expecting 10,000 samples, 10,000 samples for submission, right?
Yeah.
So if you, I mean, remove some, rows from the test data, no, that will definitely affect your final performance. Kaggle won't take that submission, right?
Okay.
Have you tried it?
So in
You will
which
get
case
some error.
Okay, so in which case I don't need to delete that duplicate this thing.
Right. You don't need to delete anything from the test data. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Hello, Anand sir. Hello. Are you there? Hello, Anand Ballav. Okay. Hello, Nildri.
Yes, sir. It is my question that if as on 29th of Jan, the first deadline of submission, if my cutoff, if the score doesn't cross the cutoff, that is 0.55, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So
No issues.
Is it
You have to cross the cutoff till 19th March.
okay? So it will not be a problem if I cannot be able to
No,
cross it.
not at all. Not at all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any questions left till now? Okay. If not, then maybe we can close this session. And I think MLP course session would start from 8 p.m. only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you for the session, sir. Good night.
Okay.
When will
Thank
be
you,
next,
everyone. Good
sir?
night. Yeah, Pradeep.
When will be next session?
So every day